All right, let's move on with speaking part one. I'm going to ask you some questions. How often do you read books? Books, magazines, or newspapers, whatever. How often do you read?
I do read the magazines and other books, but nowadays technology is overcome, so I usually don't go for the magazines. Rather than I prefer to read the articles or the other useful material from my mobile or some the uh, these devices, electronic devices. So it would be good for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have many books at home?
Yes, I used to read books. So there's a pile of book in my
I
home.
usually read because
Are
in present we never use used to.
all right?
Okay, I usually
No,
read
I was
books.
just trying to say I used to read books, but now,
Okay. Then it's
so,
fine. Please
and
carry on.
yes,
Please
yes,
carry on.
and
Do you have many books at home?
yes, I used to read many books. So there's a pile of many books in my library, but again, is that now the things are changing. So that's why we are also moving along. So I used to prefer these books or through uh, my mobile. That is very convenient for me.
Okay. Again, you're using used to in a complex way, which is not
So,
clear.
yes,
So just try to avoid that, unless it is past tense.
all right.
Okay. Let's go on. Do people in your country like to read books, magazines, newspapers?
Yes, they do because a lot of people still prefer to read by some, the hard copies. So that is like books or newspapers or some other magazines. So they do prefer
All
to
right.
read on.
What kind of books do you like to read?
Mostly, I do. I like to read some science fiction topics and or some historical based as well, which is connected with the nowadays scientifically related to each other. So yes, I both historical and scientific
All right. What
topics.
type of books do children read nowadays?
Yes, the, children do read to improve their readings, stories, poems. So nowadays they usually go for the Cambridge books of reading to improve their beginner level of reading and listening, or and to perform some exercises to improve their reading skills.
All right. Thank you. Let's go on. The topic is celebrity. Celebrity means famous
Hmm.
people. So, who is your favorite celebrity in your country?
No, celebrity,
My favorite
my
celebrity.
favorite celebrity nowadays Imran Khan because he's working on issues.
Can speak in the mic.
He's working on issues like international, which never have been brought in front of us, and that's why I like to
Yeah, I
uh,
like him very much,
very
and he
much
is my most
most
favorite
famous.
celebrity. Do you like any foreign celebrities?
Yeah, foreign celebrities. I like cricketers that Adam Gilchrist, the Australian wicket-keeper batsman, and I like to watch him while keeping wicket-keeping, and basically enjoyed his batting.
I enjoy his betting.
I enjoy his batting.
Okay.
Yeah,
Would you like to become a celebrity in the future?
yeah. Everyone dreams to become celebrity by his
Mm-hmm. By working
by
hard, by
working
doing
hard
something
by
different.
by
So
become
I would love to
I
become a
w-
celebrity
yes,
as well.
everyone dreams to become celebrity in future
Okay.
by
Do you
using.
think we should respect famous people's privacy?
Yes, we should respect famous people privacy because it's their personal life, and no one have
No
any
one has
no one has any
any right to
any right to
invade their privacy,
invade any other's privacy and or interfere in others life,
others' lives.
personal
So
life.
I think
I
we
think
should respect famous people's
famous
personal life and we
personal
should
life.
not interfere in
Yes,
that. All right. How do celebrities influence their fans?
by giving them response in proper way and caring their fans, and
Okay, this answer is short. How do celebrities influence their fans? Celebrities influence their fans in a number of different ways. If they are sports celebrities, so whatever the game they play, that game becomes popular among their fans. On the other hand, we have some movie celebrities, film celebrities, so their hairstyle, their dressing style, their dialogues in the movie, such type of things are copied by their fans. So celebrities influence their fans in these ways.
Yes, sir.
Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Good job.